I'll guide you through how to use the new Instagram Shots feature without relying on complicated edits or filters. If you're looking to share quick, authentic, and raw moments, or you want to send ephemeral, disappearing photos to your closest network, and so you need to start sharing disappearing shots, then this tutorial will walk you through the complete steps. If you're ready, hit the like button. Let's get started. The Shots feature is Instagram's answer to quick, low-pressure sharing, similar to Snapchat. Since the feature is brand new and its location can vary, there are two ways to access and use it. The first is by initiating a new shot via the main inbox screen. This is the method for starting a brand new shot and selecting your recipients after capturing the content. Tap the paper aeroplane icon to enter your direct messages inbox. Check the horizontal row at the top of the inbox, near your profile photo and the notes section. Locate the dedicated shot starter icon, often a camera icon, sometimes stylized with a shutter button or a plus sign. Tapping this launches the dedicated camera interface. Another way is via the quick reply inside individual chats. This method is for sending a fast, in-the-moment response directly into an ongoing conversation. This is the icon found next to the text field. Open any existing individual or group conversation. Look at the bottom of the screen, right next to the Type a Message text field. The feature is accessed via the small simplified camera icon. Tapping this instantly opens the camera overlay, allowing you to quickly snap a photo or record a video and send it immediately to that specific chat thread. The rules are simple. Snap a picture and you'll notice that there are no filters or extensive editing tools. This is by design to keep the content raw and real. You can add a short text caption or overlay to the image to provide context before sending. When initiating a new shot, you select your audience. The friends group specifically consists of the followers you follow back. Note that your shots are ephemeral, meaning they disappear immediately after the recipient views them, contributing to the feeling of low pressure, temporary sharing. Don't worry about losing your memories. A personal shots archive is created, visible only to you, where your photos are saved for up to 30 days. From this archive, you can view, download, or permanently delete past shots. Finally, if a friend is oversharing, you can mute their shots without affecting their regular stories or direct messages. Now that you've learned how to use the Instagram Shots feature, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you have any questions, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card to explore more Instagram video tutorials. Thanks for watching.